In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a ClickFunnels page template. If you've ever built a page you love and want to reuse it without risking the original, this simple approach is exactly what you need. In ClickFunnels, the practical way to save a page as a reusable template is to duplicate it, then work from the copy. This keeps your original safe and gives you a clean starting point every time. First, duplicate the page you want to use as your template. In your funnel view, find the page you've already designed. Look for the options menu on that page card. Depending on your interface, it might be labeled Options, More, or shown as 3 dots. Choose Duplicate or Clone. ClickFunnels will instantly create an identical copy, including your layout, headlines, images, sections, styles, and most settings. This is what makes duplication so useful. It preserves the structure you've already perfected, so you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. You should now see 2 versions of the same page in your funnel, the original and the copy. The original is your master. Do not edit it. Keeping that untouched master ensures that any future campaign or variation can start from a proven foundation. If you ever need another version, just duplicate the master again and you're set. Next, rename the one you will be working on. Open the newly duplicated page and give it a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious it's the working copy. A simple naming convention goes a long way here. You might use something like template, landing page base for the master and working. Landing page, campaign name for the copy you're about to edit. Consistent names prevent mix-ups, especially when you return to your funnel later or when teammates jump in. Renaming right away also helps you avoid accidentally editing the master page. As you start customizing the renamed copy, remember that a duplicate typically carries over things like SEO settings, tracking snippets, and integrations. That's expected and helpful, because you usually want the same framework. If you need to adjust those details for a new campaign, you can do that safely in the working copy without affecting your master. That's the entire process. Duplicate the original page to preserve your best design, then rename the copy you'll be editing so there's no confusion. With this simple workflow, you've effectively created a reusable ClickFunnels page template, ready to deploy for any campaign while keeping your original intact.